Are you excited? Guys,
it's time to ride a train.
Tram. Hey, ang bibi ko. Hey, Saysay. And Sayon, are you excited, Sayon? Inaantay namin yung train na darating. Sayla. Sayla, choo-choo.
What?
What? Saan kami sa Gonggalin?
Hi, train.
Right.
Train's coming? Huh? Wow, train's coming.
Say it again. Hey, train. Train. Look. Sabi, look, train.
Ayan ang train. Dito sa gitna ang train. Sa gitna ang train dadaan. Hey. Go. Look at the train. Yay!
Look at train.
Sayon. All aboard.
The next stop is Atlanta's on arrival. Please exit the right-hand side.
Bye-bye train. Sayon, bye-bye train. Wala ng train. Bye-bye ka na. City. First time niya. First time nila sumakay sa Australia. Sayon, first time sumakay ng tram. Pero sa City, tapos na. Sayon, ang saya eh.
Tinatawa mo yung gusto ng Converse. Sayon. Oh.
Hi guys, ulit na kami. Sasakay ulit kami ng train. Yes! Like my train ulit tayo? Yay! Bye guys! Bye kami! Bye guys!
Sayon. Bye guys.
Bye guys!
Bye-bye.